Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we have the 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X AEV Edition, and here are 10 things you probably didn't know about this truck. Number 1. With the available Duramax 6.6-liter turbo diesel V8, you're getting 470 horsepower and 975 pounds-per-feet of torque. 975, guys. That's not a typo. That torque number is what moves heavy trailers without breaking a sweat, and it's why people who actually tow for a living spec this engine. Number 2, the AT4X trim is exclusive to the Sierra 2500 HD. You can't get it on the 3500. So if you want the most off-road capable Sierra heavy duty in the lineup, this is the only version it comes in. It's not just a package, it's its own thing. Number 3, this truck comes out of the factory with a 1.5-inch suspension lift and 35-inch Goodyear Territory MT tires already on it. You don't have to go to an aftermarket shop and void your warranty. GMC already did it for you, and it still comes with a full factory warranty, guys. That's a huge deal, especially on a truck like this. Number 4, the AT4X gets Multimatic DSSV dampers. These are the same technology derived from motorsport and Formula One applications. 3 separate spool valves controlling damping in real time. The result is a truck that rides composed on the highway and handles off-road terrain without beating you up inside the cab. Number 5. The AT4X has a rear electronic locking differential. That means when one rear wheel loses traction, both wheels lock together and spin at the same rate. Mud, sand, rocks, loose terrain, both wheels are working. The regular AT4 doesn't get this. It's an AT4X only feature. Number 6. Up to 14 available camera views, but the one that nobody talks about is the transparent trailer view. It uses cameras to digitally make your trailer disappear so you can see what's behind it while you're towing. That's an industry first. You're driving with a full trailer and you can still see through it. That's insane. Number 7. There's a step above the standard AT4X, the AT4X AEV Edition. Built in collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles. You get stamped steel front and rear bumpers with integrated recovery points, additional underbody skid plates protecting the steering gear and transfer case, and exclusive AEV Salta Gloss black wheels. This is a factory-built overland truck. Number 8. The AT4X gets 16-way power front seats with a massage feature, best in class, not just heated and ventilated, massaging. And the interior is called Obsidian Rush, with full grain leather, technical grain leather accents, authentic Banta ash wood trim, and red and white double needle stitching. This is not a base work truck interior, this is for the boss. Number 9. Properly equipped, the Sierra 2500 HD can tow up to 22,500 pounds conventionally. With a gooseneck or fifth wheel setup, that number goes even higher. Boat, camper, equipment trailer, flatbed, this truck handles it. And the pro-grade trailering system with the in-vehicle app walks you through the entire hookup process step by step. Number 10. Off-road geometry, 11.6 inches of ground clearance, a 31.6 degree approach angle, and a 25.7 degree departure angle. Those numbers matter when you're crawling over rocks, approaching steep inclines, or getting in and out of work sites with uneven terrain. This isn't a truck that looks off-road, it actually is. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.